Kaya Dennis, usugot kaya. First, 5 on nephew. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's FPU versus Bushido. Oh, takin tayo sir, para maganda sir. Bola.
Leon, your ball. Look, your ball, look, faster, look.
First position of FPU. Manalastas. Looking for Salagoste. Piray, first shot, first attempt. Too strong, top. Rebound on Kelden. In and out. It's again, Piray. 14 seconds shot clock. Looking for Soto. Piray, open jumping. Salagoste, 10 to shoot. Down, too strong by Salagoste. It's FPU against Bushido. Awal. Back to Gual. Almost steal by Kelden. Piñano. Rebound steal on Manalastas. Manalastas to Biray. Now Biray to Soto. Looking for Salagoste. Kelden. Now complete steal on Bushido. Now Duval. Guarded by Manalastas. Duval. Okay, nice pass outside. Too strong again by Bushido. Now Biray. It's Biray. 1-on-1 by Kelden. Yes, on Kelden. It's 2-0. 2-point lead on FPU. Now Gubal. Oh, too strong. Rebound on foul. Foul on number 9 on Salagoste. First on Salagoste. First team foul against FPU.
4.
It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Again, in and out by Thor. Now Soto looking for Biray. Biray open jump again. Too deep for Biray. Soto. 14 seconds sa clock. Back to Salagoste. Nice pass. Soto. Again, Susan by Soto. Looking for Biray. Fake. Now 10 to shoot. Kelden. Top. Manalastas there. Bang. Foul on number 20 on Gubal. First on Gubal. First team foul on Bushido. First basket, first shot by Manalastas. Not good. 7 minutes and 53 seconds.
Sir, yung kayang jersey ng pinahabol namin. Kaya?
Wala, sir. Ha? Di mo na-follow up sa sarili mo. Walang ganyan yan. Wala. Hindi lang sa akin kasi yan. Hindi tailoring ko yan. Hindi ko tailoring yan. Sabihin mo sa ikot, sino ba yung plan? Saan ko siya? Hindi ko tailoring yan, sir.
3.
Whoa! It's 3-2. 1 point lead on FPU. Now Salagoste. Drive. Looking for Biray. Hesitate. Looking by Buwal. 14 to shoot. Biray. Again. Too deep by Biray. Still on Biray. Now 7 minutes. Biray to Salagoste. Back to Biray. Downside. Kelden. Shot. Rebound Salagoste. Salagoste for 3 or more by Salagoste. Now Bushido. It's foul. Foul on number 9 on Salagoste. Second on Salagoste. Second team foul FPU. Our score 3 against 2. Thor. Too strong by Thor ng Manalastas. Looking for Salagoste. Now Salagoste drives, Salagoste foul! Foul on number 27 on tour.
Second team foul.
Second team foul on Bushido. Second personal foul on tour. It's 6 minutes and 32 seconds.
Wala.
Now tour rebound. Now Gubal. Looking for tour, 1-1, block by Soto. Piñano, tour again. Again in and out by tour. It's Salagoste all the way on Salagoste. 5-2. 3-point lead now on the view. Now Estrella. Piñano. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! All Piñano. Now 5-all. His first deadlock of the game. Manalastas. It's foul. Foul on number 22 on Manalastas. First on Manalastas. Third against FPU. Now 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Ismelia. Short by Ismelia. Rebound on Soto. Stage 3 on through. Soto looking for Biray. Guarded by Ismelia. Biray again. Now Manalastas to Kelvin Manalastas. And service pass. Whoa! What a shot from Manalastas. It's 7-5. 2-point lead on FPU. Now Piñana to Ismelia. Ismelia again. Drive. 6-out pass downside. It's turnover on Bushido.
Salagoste to
Biray. Again to deep for Biray. Top by Gupal. Salagoste is there. Salagoste. 1-1. Salagoste drives. Salagoste goes to coast. In and out by Salagoste. Top. Manalastas. Looking for Biray. Fake. Time to shoot. Biray. Manalastas. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. It's 4 minutes and 27 seconds.
Soto. Manalastas. Soto. Oh, it's
Kelvin there. It's 9-5. 4-point lead now on the view. It's 4 minutes. Our first game. First quarter. Now Gubal. Looking forward outside. Fake. Strong move. Now 9-7. Only 2-point lead on the view. Soto, coast to coast. Soto out. Too strong by Soto. Now Duval. It's 2-1. Duval drive. Duval. Block by Kelvin. Foul. Foul on number 12 on Kelvin. First on Kelvin. Warning for penalty on FPU. Stay here.
Baby. Come here.
3 minutes and 33 seconds. Short. Top. Salagoste. It's 3-2. Salagoste. Stop. Looking for Biray. Cardivan Piñano. Biray to Salagoste. Steal on Salagoste again. To 14 to shoot. Salagoste to Calje. Now 11-7. It's 4-point lead on the view. Piñano. Bang! On Piñano. 9 against 11. Back to 2-point lead on the view. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Biray. It's Manalastas. 40 seconds sa clock. Biray. 10. Soto. Looking for legend. Turnover on FPU. 2 minutes and 40. All by FPU. It's only 2-point lead by FPU. 11 against 9. Now Pinalo, same spot, too strong, rebound on Soto to Clown. Foul again on Tour. 13 foul on Bushido.
Tour second.
Second personal foul against Tour. It's 2 minutes and 19 seconds. A little bit 9 on score.
Remaining one more game. Delta motivation. Elimination. Okay? Fix it. Delta motivation.
I don't know. I just
Change it. Delta motivation. The last elimination. Then we go for semis. Okay? And for the U10, Armos against
Yes.
Delta. You need to change it quickly. Armos against Delta.
you said
Motivation, I guess I will send it now. I will send it
You
in the
just
same
send
group.
it. I will
In the same
send
group,
it.
yeah. Okay?
That's not Pinagay.
I'm telling you, I need to tawa.
Sure.
Tawa ba?
1 minute and 50. 14 to shoot. 10. 5.
Oh,
A foul. It's foul. Push ball it.
ito.
Now Bushido warning for penalty.
Tour?
Foul number 27.
Tour, third.
On tour. Third on tour.
Warning penalty.
Warning on Bushido. It's 1 minute and 36 seconds. 0 out of 2 coming from Salagoste. Now Duval, drive, move, Duval. Oh! Strong move from the ball. Now 13-11. 2-point lead on Bushido. Biray. Ay nalatagan by Biray. Manalastas. Manalastas drive. Manalastas. Defense on Bushido. Now Duval. 1-1 base. Nice pass. Ah, there Salagoste. 50 seconds. Keljem. It's Bushido ball. 13-11. 2-point lead on Bushido. It's 49 seconds.
Si Sensei.
40. Ah, nice defense now. 1-1, 2-1. Salagoste. Salagoste drive on Salagoste. Now 13 all, 25 seconds.
Last shot for Ismelia.
Smelia. Short. Ah, Biray to Soto. Salagoste. Same spot. Salagoste. Yo! Inalap ng Salagoste. 5 seconds. 5.
Di pa siya logo.
Keljem. Penalty red.
There's a foul?
2 seconds.
Who got foul?
Once you said
2 seconds, 2.
Belgium won.
Now 14, 13. And now for first quarter score is 14 against 13. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
That's sino yung last foul kanina?
2-1.
12? 2-1, 21?
Hindi ka lang naman shoot.
21. Ismail yan.
Minsan din na minsan din na yung kwan wala tayo sir, 10 plus 10 yan, plus 10 yan. Wala kayo jersey, plus 10 tayo, lalaro kayo, nasa inyo yan. Jersey tayo, nasa rules yan, 10 kwan tayo.
It's Bushido ball, Bushido.
Plus 10 tayo, plus 10 tayo. Lagay mo plus 10. Plus 10.
Plus 10 now, ha? Plus 10 on it at AU.
Ay, wow! FDU plus 10.
Nice jumper, too strong. Rebound again on Bushido. Short. Now, Soto. 1-1, looking for Castillo. Now 26-13. 13-point lead on Abu. Pinano. It's troubling violation on Pinano. 9 minutes and 30 seconds. It's 26.
Lagay mo plus 10 yan, maganda yung papasan mo. Plus 10 na rin lang. Jersey lagay. Dito lang.
Ito na 14.
Kaya
14.
lagay mo dito highlight plus 10 jersey.
Ang baseball bat, Pinano. Short. Tap. It's FPU ball, FPU. 9 minutes. 13-point lead on FPU. Now Anderson, the birthday boy, Anderson. Bang, in and out. Rebound, no. It's FPU ball, same ball. 14% shot clock. 8 minutes and 42. This is just our first game for our UAAP match. It's FEU against Bushido. Agad, pilapasan. Pinano. Pinano now. Again, in and out. 3-1 on Bushido. Too strong. Again, too strong. Rebound. No. Oh, again short. Now Anderson. It's 3-on-1. 1-1, Castillo left-handed shot. Yes, on Castillo. It's 28 against 13. 50-point lead on FU. Move, stop.
Yarabi.
Bang.
Blackman.
Left-handed Blackman again. Too strong by Blackman. It's 4-2. Drive to Magat. Magat to Anderson. To Castillo. 3-second violation on FU. Turnover against FPU. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, strong move for the veteran. Now 15-20. 13-point lead on FPU. Now Romero. Looking for Castillo. Castillo. Now Castillo still again by Bushido. It's 3-2. Now 7 minutes. 14 to shoot. Again short. Castillo. Soto. Now Soto looking for Anderson, the birthday boy. Anderson. Short again. Rebound on Soto. Soto. Soto deal deep. Rebound Bushido again. Bushido. It's 6 minutes and 45 seconds. All by FU. It's 28 against 15. Nice move. Pinano, again to the Pinano. Again to the Bushido. Same but short. Oh, what a small move. Now 80-70 against 28. Back to 11-point lead on FPU. Now Castillo. Magat sa isa. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Bushido.
Kamoy chikos ko ba? Kamoy chikos ko ba? Chikos? Uminom ka lang. Kahapon wala.
6 minutes
Congrats sa champion kayo. Pangin.
Now, 1 point by Magat is 29 against 17. Back to 12-point lead on FEU. Still again by Magat. Romero to Anderson. It's 2-2. Anderson, 1-1. Anderson drive. Anderson, pow!
Ricardo. Ay,
Hindi pa, third one. Walang time sa'yo.
Foul on number 3 on Bushido. Second team foul on Bushido.
Piñano first.
First on Piñano.
Dalawang Piñano at 12 on 3.
Nice shot coming from Anderson. It's 30 against 17. 13-point lead now against FEU.
Pinano, hindi pinano.
Pinano? Ha?
Now 31-17.
Ha? Pinano?
Nice defense by 2. Drive, left-handed shot. Again, in and out by Bushido. Now Castillo is still. Anderson. 1-1. Anderson to the one more by Anderson. It's foul again on Pinano. 33 against 17.
Pinano number 3. 12. 3. Second on
It's
3.
second personal foul on number 3 on Pinano. It's 5 minutes and 10. 33 to 17. In and out by Anderson. Castillo. 1-1. Castillo. Bang! Baskets count. And 1 on Castillo.
4.
Timeout on Bushido. Foul on number 12 on Bushido. Now 13 foul against Bushido. First on number 12.
12.
It's 4 minutes and 57 seconds.
Ano, pwede nga magamitin yun. Dudulas kasi kasi pawis kasi lahat. Pawis kasi. Pawis kasi kamay nila puro pawis.
Dalawa yung walang uniform na plus 10 ulit yun? O hindi na?
Pwede na.
Pwede na? Una, sobra na akong plus 20 pa.
Plus din na yun, dahil sa dalawa yung walang uniform.
Wala yung aking yun. Nagbayad na kami dun sa pinagbatas.
Bayad na kami.
Wala. Hindi ko alam eh. Sino ba si, asa ba si Bea?
Police si Sir Mike. Sino ba napatahe?
Eh, uniform niya yun eh. Hindi ka na. Ang bilyaran niyo, kung lang eh. 20 lang yun.
So sila,
Kaya yung napagawa niya, hindi ako.
Kaya nga.
Castillo plus 1.
Dito.
36-70.
Si Bea ata, Bea.
Bea. Doon kayo Bea, magkaklamo ha. Dito kayo man eh.
Now Castillo. 1-1. Castillo let that fly. Castillo. It's 38 against 17. Now Castillo again. Anderson. Carmen Pinano. Side step. Crossover from bang on the birthday boy. Anderson. It's 41 to 17. 4 minutes and 28. All against by FEU. Now Moquillo drive. Open jump to strong top. Rebound on the big guy. Bang, drop, foul. Foul on number 19 on Magat. First on Magat. First team foul on FEU. It's 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Free throw, last free throw, rebound. This is our first game. It's FEU against Bushido. It's last touch by Soto. 3 minutes and 58 seconds. One move. Bang! First shot, first basket down. 19 against the 41. All again by FEU. Now Romero. Anderson. Anderson to deep short. Rebound on Busino.
Lock man.
Blackman now, still now goes, sidestep, bang! On the picture now, 21 against 41, 20-point lead. Magat, 43-21. Back to 22-point lead. Now Castillo still again, Castillo, bang! Castillo, 45-21. It's 24-point lead on FU. Now Turralde. Turralde escapes. Sidestep by Turralde. It's 23-45. Now Anderson, 1-1. Anderson fake. Guarded by 2. Guarded by Tiano. Anderson. Oh! Anderson again. It's 47-23. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Stats on Busio. 2 minutes and 30. Now Soto. Guarded by Lemon. Soto, 1-1. Now Soto. Nice pass outside. Magat. Castillo. Short. Nice pass. Bang! What a play coming from FPU. It's 49 against 23. 2 minutes. Now Turralde again. Turralde. Same ball. 18 to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. It's 1 minute and 56 seconds. All by FU. 49 against the 23. Now, nice defense on the view. Now 3-1. Romero first basket on Romero. It's 51-23. Turralde again. Side step. Bang! On the big guy Turralde. 25-51. 1 minute and 30. Romero. Now Magat. It's Magat looking for Anderson. It's 14 to shoot. Soto. Castillo again. Strong by Castillo. It's Landman. Landman 1-1 by Soto. Oh, Landman. It's 27 against the 51. 1 minute. It's a 4-0 run coming from Busino. Romero. Now, in and out by Romero. Now, Turralde. It's 3-2, 3-1. Turralde, move, Turralde. Yes, on Turralde. 29-51. 45 seconds. Anderson. Short. Rebound. Castillo. Yes, on Castillo. It's 53-29. 35 seconds. Too deep. Yes, 31-53. It's 22-point lead on FU. 27 seconds, 27. Now Castillo. Set in play. Now Castillo looking for Romero. Romero. Hesitate. Pump. Romero drive. Whoa! Turnover on FU. 17 seconds. Turralde. 1-1 by Soto. Turralde sidestep. Yes on Turralde. 33-53. 20 seconds. 5 seconds. Castillo. Bang! On Castillo. It's 55-33 our score. 22-point lead against FPU.
Sinabi ko nga, kay Bea daw, nintay daw. Sino bang Bea?
Inbound, tinatakbo.
Oh, good. Basta galing kaunti.
Sa
Basta galing kaunti.
Sabi niya, 2 steps.
No.
More than 2
Basta
steps.
sa ilalim, baseline.
Dapat
Pag
para
nasa
sa'yo.
Basta galing bis.
Dapat para
Hindi, sir. Ito mo.
Remind ko ulit. Remind ko ulit.
Ha? Ba't di? Ha? Tapos ha? Balik lang ko. Ato hindi ka balik yun. Sorry. Ay, malakaw ka? Balay ka? Balay ka?
Third quarter ready, third quarter.
Ano?
Transfer daw ni Bea. Sino Bea?
Sino sabi?
Sino mo ko?
Ayusin ang sino ng transfer para sigurado sa wala eh.
Bayad daw silang lahat. Transfer daw niya sa'yo.
It's FPU ball, FPU.
Pwede na.
Sabi na sa'yo, di ba?
Di ba? Sabi mo, remind. So, alam mo, remind mo siya kung bawas.
Magkano ko to? 700.
Remind mo, sabi ka mo.
It's third quarter.
Nandito man yan, matik yan, bibigay yan.
Dati siya alam mo.
Now, Biray. Steal on Anderson. Anderson. Salagoste. Nice pass. Salagoste to Castillo. Biray. Biray. Open job. Fake. Biray. Again too deep by Biray. Nice. William to Duval. Duval. Turralde. Fake. Turralde. Yes, Turralde. Now 35 against 55. 20-point lead on FPU. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Nice steal on Salagoste, 13 to shoot. 10. 5. Paano Duval? Na 8 minutes and 50. 1-on-1 and move. Wow! In and out. Is to Musino again. Drive! Goyobo! Bang! It's 37-55, 18-point lead now on FPU. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Anderson, bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the birthday boy on Anderson, it's 58 to 37. It's back to 21-point lead against Musino. It's backing violation, backing violation. Airborne tayo, sir. Airborne tayo, airborne tayo.
Huwag masyadong may click.
Yes, on Castillo.
Oo, nandito yan, magbibigay yan, matik yan.
Pwede magbigay, di mariman sa team, di sinabi.
It's FPU ball.
Hiya lang niya pag hindi yan nagbigay.
Ako, dito ka, ako doon. Nakuha. Wala naman ako doon. Firman mo lang, Jun.
Magbibigay nga yan, boss Mike.
Wala ba, di mo
classmate.
nasabi, di mo nasabi natin.
Yeah, Rabbi.
Rebound. Castillo again. Salagoste. Nice intercepted by Usido. Now Turralde. 1-1 by Castillo. Yes, on Turralde. Now 39 against the 60.
Oo daw.
Kelgem. Oh. It's technical foul on number 18 on Bushido.
Sabihin mo, di nila alam eh. Sir, sabihin mo, baka di nila alam kung ano yun. Explain mo sa kanila, Maret, para alam din ng mga kuha natin, mga kuha natin. Di nila alam ni siguro yan. Sabihin nyo, ba't sila na technical foul?
Albiray.
Sabihin nyo sa mga kuhan, kasi di nila alam yan.
Biray fake. Now Anderson fake. Anderson drive. Side step by Anderson. Coast to coast. Foul. Foul on number 20 on Duval. Second on Duval. First on Bushido.
Ano ba? Mahina sa free throw.
Ha?
Sino?
Now 62-39. All by FU.
80.
Out. In and out. Now Salagoste. Salagoste to Biray. Biray left alone. Now 64 against the 39. Now Torralde. Intercepted by Keltem. It's foul. Foul again on number 18 on Bushido. Second team foul on Bushido. Number 18.
Ismelia nga.
18.
18 nga Ismelia.
Wala Ismilya dyan.
Ismelia
Dalawa
din.
Ismilya?
Mm.
Dalawa Ismilya?
Mm.
Biray, 10 to shoot.
Wala Ismilya?
5 minutes and 20.
21 and 18. Dalawa din.
Now Torralde.
Kailangan.
Torralde drives. I said Torralde. Favorite shot by Torralde is third. 41-64. 23-point lead on FU. 5 minutes. Castillo. Rebound by Torralde. Nice Milla left alone. It's 43-64. Now Anderson. Biray. Too deep.
Monicardo.
Monicardo. Cardi by Anderson. Monicardo.
Kahawik mo yun.
Short by Monicardo. Again, Monicardo. Yes, Monicardo. It's 45-64. 19-point lead now FU. Belgium. Castillo coming from Belgium. 66 against the 45. Salagoste. Salagoste goes to code by Salagoste. It's 68-45. It's 4 minutes. 3 minutes and 58.
Pwede magsabos?
Turralde, 1 and white by Salagoste. Time out on FU. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Bushido. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. After the ball game. And our next game will be NCAA San Sebastian versus Litran. Ismelia to Ismelia. 10 to shoot. Short. Now Kelvin. Biray. Cardi by Ismelia. 14 to shoot. Salagoste pass to Magat. It's 70. Against the 45. It's 25-point lead. On a view. Ismelia. Strong move, shot. Still on Ismelia. Blocked by Magat. Turralde is 47. Against the 70, 2 minutes and 50. It's warning on Turralde for delay the game. Keljem sidestep, block! Play the ball. Keljem 72 against the 47. All against by FU. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Turralde, 1-1, Salagoste. Turralde, sidestep, Turralde, Turralde, favorite shot again, it's 49-72. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Soto, foul. Foul again on number 18 on Ismail. Third on Bushido. 13 foul on Ismail. Now Biray. It's Bushido ball. Bushido, third number again on LPU. Now the ball. Torralde, escape, Torralde, yes on Torralde, it's 51 against 72, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Salagoste, 1-1 by Ismelia, Salagoste, nice steal on Ismelia, Biray, open jump, alright, too strong by Biray, top. It's Bushido ball, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Now Torralde again, Torralde, no traffic jump, bang, it's Torralde. Foul on Kelden. First on Kelden. First team foul against FEU. 1 minute and 36 seconds. 72 against 53. Basket sa dito sa tera pa. Now Kelden. Salagoste. 1-1 by the ball. Salagoste. Waiting for his teammates. 1 minute and 20. Magat. Drive, Magat, kick out pass to Biray, straight, Biray, short. It's Turralde again, Turralde. Turralde, 1-1 by Kelden, 1-1 pick. Turralde, nice pick, nice defense against FEU. Kelden, let it fly again by Kelden. In and out. Smell it, 1 minute. Alanman. Nice defense now, Turralde. Too strong by Duralde, top. Now Salagoste, 45 seconds. Salagoste say kill them, yes on, kill them. 74 to 53. Dubal, 1-1 by Dubal, it's shot by Dubal, too strong by Dubal. Now Biray, 30 seconds. Two star, in and out by John Biray, it's 0 out of 7 by Biray. It's 27 seconds. $23. 14 the shot clock, 14, 23 seconds. 10. Soto, same spot. Too deep. Yes, on Kelden. 5 seconds. Akilanan. It's end over third quarter. It's 55 against the 76. All by FEU. Fourth quarter ready. Fourth quarter. Bushido ball. Bushido. Last quarter.
Uod na ako, kanina pa ako dito. Alas 6 kami dito, nag-training ng mga bata.
Kerep. And our next game, Litran. Now the ball. In and out. Rebound on Manalastas. Biray. Now we'll set a play for Biray. Romero, sidestep. Pass to Manalastas. 14 to shoot. Biray. To the bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Biray. Now Biray is 1 out of 9. 43% of Biray. 9 minutes and 30. Ladman. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Ladman.
Lakman. Si. Lakman.
Anderson.
Bang! Oh, no.
Top. Now Lakman. Lakman to go, sir, that low. In the by Lakman. It's 9 minutes. Anderson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on the birthday boy. Anderson. 82. Against the 58. All by FU. Lakman again. Looking for nice move by Thornton. Defense on. Now the play. Biray again. Biray. Same spot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Biray. 85 to 58.
Marireach nilang 100. Monicardo.
Yes, on Monicardo. 60. Against 25. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Short. It's Bushido ball. Bushido. 8 minutes.
Monicardo.
Monicardo again. Monicardo. Yo-yo move. It's same ball. 14 to shoot.
Lagman, di Lakman.
Lakman nga.
Lagman.
Ano Lakman?
Lakman. Monicardo again. Pow! Oh! Offensive foul. Who's fouled up? Who's fouled up? Offensive foul on Monicardo. First on Monicardo. First on team foul on Bushido. Inbounding Romero. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Mirai, it's 89 to 60. Nice move, Bob Monicapio, it's 62 against 89. 37-point lead on Abiu. Castillo. Now, Duval, 1-1. Looking for Ismelia, 3-on-1. Ismelia, side step. Short, Manalastas. Looking for Anderson. Anderson pump, Anderson long 3, too strong. Biray. Biray again, long 3, Biray, short. Top, Duval. Baseball pass. Monicapio, fake. Wow, ano ba may nag-drop? It's 64 against 89 in 6 minutes. Tap again, Romero. 1-1. Now, rebound on Castillo. Looking for his teammate, Biray, long 3. Bang! It's raining in Manila. Biray, it's 82 to 64. Substitution left south. Substitution, it's 92 against the 64. All FU. 6 minutes. Lagman. Nice Melia. Short. Top. It's FPU ball. 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Now Magat. Back to Biray. Romero drive. Romero kick out pass. It's turnover against FPU. 5 minutes and 40. Duval, Ismelia, favorite shot. Too strong again by Ismelia. Romero to Anderson on selfish pass. Manalastas, short by Manalastas. Now Lagman, it's 5 minutes.
It's okay.
Lagman to Ismelia, move. Oh, hindi natin yung Ismelia, Duval for 3. Substitution up, Sabrap. Canal. On Bushido, this time out is brought to you by Color Sports, Boleros, and Basketballista. Last 5 minutes and 5 seconds, all by FU. 92 against the 64.
Wala pa itong age limit, sir.
Susunod may hagawa 10-40 yan. Marami pa yung laro. May court pa kayo eh. Ito. Papawis lang.
last touch sila. Sila last touch.
It's Bushido ball, Bushido ball, Bushido. Five minutes.
Asa mo jersey ko? Asa mo jersey?
4, short, top, Ismelia, favorite shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Ismelia. 92-67. All by FU. Biray. Biray again, Biray. Another rebound, Ismelia is 4 minutes and 30. Ismelia to Ismelia. Side step. Now to Alde. Romero. Anderson. Stop, pump. Too strong by Anderson. 4 minutes and 15. It's up to the subdivision.
Alam mo na second game. Yung sa Sebastian.
Litron and
San Sebastian. Doon mo bayad. Sa Litran si Remain ng pati third quarter set. Militar ko balas doon.
3 minutes and 50. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Biray! Whoa! Ano mo? Coming from Monicarpio, 69 to 95.
Cardo.
Now sa Lagoste. Looking for Magat. Biray again. Too deep. Biray. In and out of Biray. Nice Ismelia. 3 minutes and 20.
Naga 100 sila.
Ismelia to Ismelia.
Simya.
Drive.
Yeah.
Top. Now Biray to Salagoste. Salagoste. Stop. Look. Kadibet Turgale. Salagoste. Yes! In and out by Salagoste. 3 minutes. Now Biray. Anderson. Pop. Stop. Anderson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! It's raining threes. All of you. 97-69. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. It's 28-point lead on FU. 2 minutes and 30. Romero. Not good by Romero. Now to Raleigh. Again to Raleigh. Yes, on the big eye. Now 71 against the 97. Ismelia to Ismelia. 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Basketballista, Oro Sports, Delta, Basketball League, and number 1 team all letters. 1 minute and 52 seconds. Nice pass. Now 73 against the 97. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Sa Lagos to Biray, Biray. Pwede ba Ismelia sa Biray? Ina natin Biray. Anderson. It's 1 minute and 30. Nice move by Salagoste. It's 99 against the 73. Turralde. Yes, on Turralde. 75 to 99. 1 minute. Short. 55 seconds. Ismelia. To Ismelia. Yes, on to Raleigh. 77 against the 99.
Last 3.
30 seconds.
100.
Ow, short by Romero. Salagoste. Foul. Foul on to Raleigh. Second team foul on Bushido.
Walang fraude.
24 seconds, 24.
Yeah, for 101.
Yes, so numero 101 to 77, 10 seconds. Bang! On Esmeralda. And then the game, our winner is FPU. It's 101.